Hi everyone, we have a question on sequence here. It says the first term of the sequence x plus 1, 3x minus 18, 2x minus 1, and so on and so forth. That we are told to calculate the first term if this sequence is an arithmetic progression. Oh, okay. If you can recall, the difference between an arithmetic progression and a geometric progression is this. An arithmetic progression has a common difference, while a geometric progression has a common ratio, okay? And what does the common difference mean is that for subsequent term of the sequence, the differences are the same. That means the difference between the first term and the second term is the same thing with the difference between the second term and the third term, and it's the same thing with the difference between the third term and the fourth term, and so on and so forth. That means our common difference d is equals to t2 minus t1, which is equals to t3 minus t2, which is equals to t4 minus t3, which is equals to, and so on and so forth, right? Excuse me. So with this, it means that if this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term, what that simply means is that this second term minus this first term will be equal to this third term minus this second term if it is an arithmetic progression. So now let's solve that. That simply means that 3x minus 18 minus x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 minus 3x minus 18. Now, remember, there's a minus sign outside of the bracket. It means that this minus sign will affect everything in this bracket. Same thing with this minus sign, it will affect everything in this bracket. So let's go on. So I'll be having 3x minus 18 minus times this will give me minus x, minus times this will give me minus 1, because minus times plus is minus, which is equal to 2x minus 1. Minus times 3x will be minus 3x. Minus times minus 18 will turn to plus 18, because minus times minus will give us plus. Now let's get this now. 3x minus x will give me 2x. Minus 18 minus 1 give me minus 19, which is equal to 2x. Hold on. 2x minus 3x will give me minus x. And minus 1 plus 18, that will give me plus 17. So from here, I'll collect like terms. What do I mean? I'll move everything that contains a variable to the left hand side and every other thing to the right hand side. That means this minus s will cross over here and this minus 19 will cross over here. So if this minus s crosses the equality sign, the minus will turn to plus. So I'll be having 2x plus x, which is equal to 17. Same thing, minus 19 cross over here, it turns to plus 19. 2x plus s will give me 3x, which is equal to 17 plus 19 will give me 36. Now to get s, I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So if I divide x by 3 and I divide x by 3, 3 will cancel 3, I'll be left with x, which is equals to 3 here is 1. 3 into 36 is 12. So the value of x is 12. But that is not what we are told to find. We are not told to find the value of s. Rather, we are told to find the first term of the sequence. And from the question, the first term is x plus 1. And we've gotten x as, first term is t1. And we've gotten x as 12. So t1 will be equals to 12 plus 1, which is equals to 13. Hope you understood what I just explained now. Don't forget to follow, to like, to share for more contents like this. Bye bye.